Welcome to our video on implementing achievements and badges in a Java application. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to design and develop a system that incentivizes user engagement through achievements and rewarding badges. Before we dive into the coding part, let's outline what we will cover today. First, we'll discuss the concepts of achievements and badges and how they can enhance a user experience. Then, we'll design the classes we need to represent our achievements and badges. Lastly, we'll implement the logic to award these to users and display them. Let's get started. An achievement is typically a goal that users can reach through their actions in the application. A badge is a visual representation of an accomplishment. For example, in a fitness app, a user might earn a badge for running 100 miles. Understanding these concepts will help us create a meaningful user experience. Let's begin by designing our classes. We'll create an achievement class to represent each achievement, including properties such as the name of the achievement, a description, and a criterion for completion. Next, let's implement the badge class, which will represent the badge that corresponds to the achievement. Now that we have our achievement and badge classes defined, let's create a user class that will keep track of the user's achievements and earn badges. Now that we have our main classes set up, we need a way to manage and evaluate if a user has earned new achievements. We can create a challenge class that encapsulates the logic of checking user actions against the criteria defined in the achievements. In the validate method of the challenge class, we will implement the logic to check the user's progress against the achievements criteria. For this example, we can simulate this with a simple check based on the username. Now that we have the basic structure for checking achievements, let's implement a simulation that creates a user and awards achievements based on their behavior in our application. We'll create a simple demonstration in our main method. In this snippet, we create a user with the username Shorty, which does not meet our achievement criteria. When we call the validate method, it should inform us whether the achievement was awarded. Let's test our implementation to see the results. Run the program and observe the console output. After running the code, you might have seen the output saying no achievement earned. Now, let's modify our user's username to meet the criteria of 10 characters. By now, the username should be long enough, allowing the achievement to be awarded. Test the program again to see the change. As we run the updated program, you should see that the achievement is successfully awarded. Great! We have successfully implemented the logic for awarding achievements based on user input. To enhance the user experience further, let's implement badges corresponding to achievements. A badge will be awarded when the achievement is earned. We can do this inside the validate method of our challenge class. In this code, we are creating a badge when the achievement is earned. Notice that the badge name is derived from the achievement name. Now users will receive both achievements and badges. Let's update our console output to also inform users when they earn a badge along with their achievement. Now we're ready to observe the full functionality of our achievements and badges system. Run the program one last time and enjoy seeing both awards being printed in the console. Now that we've implemented a simple achievements and badges system, let's discuss how you could enhance this further. For instance, you can map multiple achievements to a single badge or introduce levels of achievements based on the complexity. Another enhancement could be saving these achievements and badges to a database or a file so that user progress can be persisted across sessions. You could also consider providing a UI to display these in a visually appealing manner. In conclusion, we covered how to implement a user-driven achievement and badge system in a Java application. We built the achievement, badge, user, and challenge classes and wrote logic to award these based on user actions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more on Java programming and software development. Also, feel free to leave comments below with suggestions for future topics or questions regarding this tutorial. Happy coding!